Hey. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys my new project pan and update you on the last project pan. I picked stuff that I wasn't into at the time. So I was not into neutral eye looks, I was into color. Last couple of videos I was doing colorful looks. So me having like an almost all brown palette with like 3 colors was like boring to me, and it was not working like at all. I wasn't inspired to use it. I just eventually gave up on it. I was going to do like a red lipstick, couple of red lipstick videos, because red lipstick is something that some people wear it every day, some people wear it for holidays and special occasions. I'll wear it for a day and then I'll go back to classes and then wear it again for a day and go back to classes. So I did wear it, but I'm just not a lipstick person. Project Pan is to show you what you use, what you don't use, what you wasting your money on, what you're not wasting your money on. This is my beauty blender. So yeah, and then the conditioner got used up. Not by me though. My mom used it. She used it to help, cause she got glue stuck in her hair glue from her quick weave, and she used that, and she also used the conditioner on my sister hair. My sister hair is like 4B, I want to say, and it did wonders for her hair. And my hair, it just was like, how you doing? And it just sat there. So my new project pan is as a rolling project tin pan, and I have 10 products to show you guys. I have no deadline. There's no deadline for this. It involves hair products, a perfume, and makeup products. So the first product I have is this Ariana Grande perfume. I got it. It's Moonlight. It's a really sweet scent. I just don't like the packaging. Like, this is the packaging, and then you just take it and you dip it like that and then you put it on. I don't like this. I'd rather just spray it. I didn't know the little bottles didn't have the spray. The bigger ones are like $60 worth of one. I don't know how much it costs, but those have the spray. When I'm done with these, I'm getting the bigger bottle so I can just spray it. Next one is this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Refaula Oil Intensive Hydration Complex. Shea Moisture always has the longest hair product names in life. Take me long to finish this off. It is an oil though, so oils do kind of take a minute to do. But I'm gonna either use it on my scalp, because in the wintertime I have really dry scalp, or just to seal in my hair, or I could just do both. The next product is the TGIN Daily Moisture Buttercream. I have, how much left? About this amount left of it. This stuff smells so good, and I only use this in the wintertime. I cannot use this on my hair in the summer because it weighs it down really badly. But in the winter, no dryness for me. No dryness. Like, my hair gets really dry in the wintertime like everybody else's. This is a lifesaver. So that's the second product, or the third product. I'm gonna use it for moisturizing my hair before I do my protective styles. So the next product I have is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 and Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I only use this as a setting spray, and I don't know how much is in here, but last time I sprayed it, it was kind of like, you know how when it's towards like the bottom, it be like and it don't really want to spray. It doesn't spray as like a mist. It kind of shoot out a little bit. So I don't got a lot in this one. The next product is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I like this foundation. It's really nice. It's the foundation I got on right now. It's I'm gonna squeezy. I got this last winter and I couldn't use it no more until this winter, and I'm excited because now I can use it now. Now I can use it, and I use it so much, so it's like really slim right here. So hopefully by the end of the winter this will be done, and then I can find another foundation, or I can rebuy this one. I might rebuy this one because I really like this. The next one is my Fenty Gloss Bomb. I love this balm. This is my favorite. I don't know exactly where I am in this because it's like sometimes I think I'm here and sometimes I think I'm here. I'm repurchasing this. This is my favorite gloss ever. I love the shine. I love, it's not sticky. I hate sticky glosses. But that's the gloss. And then I got the the Smashbox eyeliner. It is in the color Brood. It's a brow eyeliner. It's like this. I just want to go back and forth between brown and black, honestly. I love liner. I've always loved liner. That's not something I'm gonna stop doing. The next thing is the Garnier Fructis Buttercream, the leave-in conditioner. It's just another thick butter to use, just to, like, you know, switch off between the TGIN and just use this one. I have this much left of this product. It has coconut, jojoba, and macadamia oils. I know the, what is they called? The Glam Twins. They love this. Their hair loves this product. My hair is it's alright with it. It's okay with having it in it. It's not one of those like, oh my gosh, I need this. I would purchase the TGIN before I will purchase this one again, and this one is cheaper. The next thing I have is the Aussie Cleanse and Mend shampoo. I have no idea what this is. I think it's light now though, so I should be running out of this one. But this shampoo is pretty cool. My favorite shampoo though is the Cream of Nature shampoo, the orange and red bottle. And last but not least, I have the Narvina palette. I did my eyes with this today. It's I use Passion, Dreamer, and Dazzling for this eye look. This is the palette. And so I picked this palette because when I bought it, I used it like twice, and that was it. I like got swept into the hype of this palette, honestly, from people. But the shades and stuff are really pretty. This is the only Anastasia Beverly Hills palette I have. What sold me on this palette was this color, Soul. So what I'm going to focus on though in this palette is the Passion shade, and then I'm gonna just go through, not in a line though, but right now I'm just gonna focus on Passion and see how many things I can do with it. See if I can pan it, because these shades are so delicate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.